So if we're looking to add a face to any of the cabinets, but a corner cabinet in this case, let's go ahead and click the elevation view over here. You can also Control Shift E, but that'll give us this view of it. Double click it. Might want to replace that texture if that slide comes up. Double click it, and then from there, come to the Face tab, and you see Mozaik doesn't really give you a preview that makes much sense for the corner cabinets, but it's telling you that this is the first face that you're seeing. There would be two faces since this is a corner cabinet. The first face here, we want to go ahead, like we always do, and add a door to it. Okay, so that did it to that side. Now, select the drop down and go to the right face. Click inside of it. Let's add a door to that. So it may not be as straightforward, but it's really not that hard to add the doors to the corner cabinets.